Hi guys! Today's video is long awaited for me anyway. I have tried to get my hands on these for months. So it's a bit old news for some people, sorry, but I've only just got them recently, so I'm pretty excited to try them out today with you. Of course, what I am talking about is the Animal Crossing and ColourPop collaboration. So I just bought the lip tints because these were the things that I wanted the most, and I really like doing lip swatch videos, and for some reason I think people like watching them, so I thought I'd do this for you guys and buy these for me so I can use them in future, because I actually love the ColourPop Just a Tint. I have two in the shade Gimme and Cherry Pickin, so they're kind of like nudie colors. One's like a pinky nude and one's like a more warmy nude, and I absolutely love those. And I was super excited when they came out with an Animal Crossing line of the Just a Tint lip tints. And also I'm obsessed with like fruit scented things and fruit flavored things, and each of these is meant to like smell like the fruit that they are named after, which is freaking awesome if you ask me. Also, I bought back out my cherry clips and my cherry mirror for this occasion, because if you did not know, one of the Animal Crossing fruits that you could get on your island is cherries. Whoa, that was really hard for me to say. Sorry about that, guys. I actually played Animal Crossing. I played it when I was younger on my little Nintendo DS, and I also played it last year when it came out on my Switch, and now whenever I haven't logged into it in months. I miss my birthday, I miss like all the holidays and stuff. The last time I logged into it, I can't even remember, it must have been like January, and they were just like, where have you been? I've been so worried about you, and it just makes you feel bad now. When the world went into lockdown, I was playing it like religiously every freaking day. I was like best friends with all those damn animals on my island, and now they all think that I'm some stranger, but I built their homes. But anyway guys, I am gonna swatch these for you today, so let's do that. So I bought the full collection of the lip tints, and they send them to you like this in the 3-pack. You get the Fruit Basket collection, the Fruit Roots collection, and the Pick of the Bunch collection. And so this is the Fruit Basket collection. It comes with the Juicy Apple up the top here and Cherry down the bottom. The Fruit Roots collection comes with Peach Surprise and Orange Cutie. The Pick of the Bunch collection comes with Incom-Pear-Able and Coconut Juice, which is really cute. So all of them are supposed to smell, I believe, like what they are called. So I'm really excited for this. I think I'm going to start by swatching them on my arm for you guys. You can see I still have a bit of a tan going on. I tried to scrub it off last night, but I didn't scrub very hard. I was like, I'll do this over a few days. But anyway, let's swatch these babies out. I'm going to start with the Fruit Basket collection. So we're going to go Cherry. Ooh, oh, I do that every time I open these. I rip it. Comes off here, and I like rip the little nub off. That's so annoying. Okay. Oh my god, that smells amazing. But anyway, let's do this. Oh god, I just made that so much worse. Okay. Oh, I'm glad I already took photos of them. I've done that so poorly. Let's hope I don't do that to every other one, which is probably what's gonna happen. Okay. Oh, guys, I should not be trusted with things because I just did it again, but in a different way and much less violently, with like a slower version. Cherry Juicy Apple. I honestly don't believe the tips of these were made to stick on. I'm doing it gently now. I did it. So this is Peach Surprise. And it definitely has, so far, the least strong scent, which is sad because I love peaches. Orange Cutie. Oh, that was really dodgy. Coconut Juice. I feel like it smells like apples. Actually, it smells like apple juice, not coconut juice. This one was Incom-Pear-Able, and it smells like pear. Kind of like apple juice, but it does smell like pear. And the final one is coconut juice. stunning. Okay, sorry guys. Possibly the worst swatches you've ever seen in your life, right? But you can see like just like the way that they go on so smoothly. It's like a fruit salad on my arm. Oh my god, wait, I didn't smell the coconut one. I do get it, it's very faint. But yeah, I do get the coconut scent. And also, I'm not sure if you noticed, all the fruit on the lids is the fruit that they are, which is pretty cute. So we've got cherry, juicy apple, peach surprise, orange cutie, Incom-Pear-Able, and the last one is coconut juice. Isn't that cute? Adorable. But anyway, let's get into the lip swatches. There we go. I have zoomed you in pretty close for the lip swatches. Please excuse my pimple as well. This is the perfect day for a pimple. But let's get into this, shall we? Zoom you back out now. And there we have it, guys. That was all the shades of the ColourPop and Animal Crossing Just a Tint lip crayons, and they are all amazing. I honestly love this formula so much. Like I said before, I have 2 shades already and I wear them all the time. I just throw them in my purse and they're like the perfect like balm gloss sort of thing for like every day. Like usually if I'm going out, I'll just chuck on one of them. I only have 2 nudes, so now I'm glad I have like tons more colors. Like if I want to, you know, have something a bit more moody or a bit more bright. I will say my 2 favorite shades were the most nude in the collection. I think my favorite of all was Incom-Pear-Able, the most nude in the collection, and my second favorite was Peach Surprise, which is the second most nude. They are very similar. Like, look at that, so similar. I did actually really like the orange color as well. I was a bit surprised, to be honest with you, with how much I liked the orange color, because I'm not really one who wears much orange on my lips, but it looked really nice. It was like a very subtle orange, but I really like all of these colors. And like I said like 5 seconds ago, this formula is amazing. Like it feels so comfortable on my lips right now. You can definitely feel something there, but it's very thin and light and like a little bit slippy. I don't think it's kiss proof though. We will test it out for you now. No, it is not kiss proof, but it is so comfortable. So to me, that does not matter at all. And it does last a decent amount of time on your lips. I will say though, these are mini duos. So they're actually smaller than the usual Just a Tint. In comparison, this is my normal Just a Tint. You can see they are like different sizes. And you know what I've realized as well? Like, look how similar these colors are. I feel like the package looks super similar. So this is my shade Cherry Pickin. So I already had Cherry Pickin and Gimme Small, like I said before. And these are so similar to the coconut shade, I feel. The packaging is anyway. I could be wrong. I'm just gonna quickly swatch them so you can see the comparison. So this is Gimme Small. And this one is the one that I've used the most. This one is Cherry Pickin. Love this color. I love both the colors, to be honest with you. The other one's like my perfect lips but better, whereas this one's like a bit slightly deeper, which I kind of like. So that's Gimme Small and Cherry Pickin, and that's, so then we've got Coconut Juice and Incom-Pear-Able. You can see they're These ones are more different than I thought, but these ones are pretty close. And I'm thinking, no, you know what? They're all quite different. So I've just chucked Peach Surprise in the mix in the center there. I have like a really nice range of nudes now, I can see. But anyway, I just thought I would swatch them. So those are the nudes, and none of them are exactly the same, so that's a good sign. I just had the orange Cutie squished in there just to see, but you can tell all the colors are quite different. So like even compared to my OG, now I need to figure out which one. Gimme Small, this one, and Cherry Pickin. Those are my OG ones. Now I have so many more to play with, and they smell different. These ones are original ones. I think they smell like, it's passion fruit, and it's amazing. My favorite scent of the new ones, I will say, is Incom-Pear-Able. It has such a strong, delicious scent, but I do worry, because it is very strong, that is one of those things that will give me a headache, which is kind of like a blessing and a curse. Like the headache is the curse and the blessing is the amazing smell. But I'm not sure if it would. It just might be like I'm a bit sensitive today with like hay fever coming back and all that stuff. But anyway, that completes this video, guys. I am so happy that I finally got to buy these, because I have wanted them for so long, like ever since they came out, but they sold out so quickly, and then I was waiting for them to go on sale, because I'm that kind of person that has to buy things on sale. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the products, or like any more comparison questions or anything, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that too, and hopefully I will see you soon. Last, when the world went, and of the Just a Lip Tint, of the Just a Tint ColourPop, of the ColourPop Just a Tint and Animal Crossing, the ColourPop and Animal Crossing Just a Tint things, crayons, what are they called? So